Some of them are,
Slow down. Slow down. Sarah Rose Watts, 23F239919.
Good morning, Judge. The under TOP 823780 on behalf of Ms. Watts. Ms. Watts, state your name for the court.
Yep, Beth zoom in.
Sarah Rose Watts.
All right, counsel, you got your work cut out for you. Shouldn't been here. So we've got failure to attend the court work program in October of 23, specifically on October 14. Failure to provide proof of attending and or completing intensive outpatient treatment. And then we've got all kinds of counts here on failure to submit the weekly testing back September 8, 28 of 23, October 2, October 10 of 23, and then failure to submit to a multitude of Soberlink blows beginning September 25th and ending on October 16 of 23. So how is she going to proceed on this?
So, Your Honor, she wants to plead guilty with an explanation to all the violations. She has some medical issues and she has a folder full of medical documentation. There's also some medical documentation in the file that she was sending in 2023. She's also had some substance abuse issues at the time. She's willing to take responsibility for disappearing from court, but she does have very valid.
All right, well, I'll listen to it. She wants to plead guilty to these 20 counts?
20.
There's 20 counts.
Oh, with the Soberlink judge.
Correct.
Right, yeah.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for up to 93 days with credit for any time served. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Did you sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
Yeah,
This advice of rights, the yellow advice of rights.
yes, I did. Yes, I
If
did.
you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
I do.
All right, as to count one, that you failed to attend the court work program on October 24 of 23, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Count two, that you failed to provide proof of attending and or completing an intensive outpatient treatment program, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Count three, that you failed to submit the weekly testing as ordered on September 28 of 23.
Correct. I'm guilty, guilty, guilty.
Count four, that you failed to submit the weekly testing as ordered on October
Guilty,
October 2nd of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count five, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on October 10 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Okay. Count six, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on September 25 of 23 at 7 p.m. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count seven, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on September 28th at 11 p.m. of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count eight, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on September 29th of 23 at 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m., and 11 p.m. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 11, that you failed to blow into the Soberlink on October 3 of 23 at 7 and 11 a.m. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 12, that you failed to blow into your Soberlink October 5 of 23 at 7 and 11 p.m. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 13, that you failed to blow into the Soberlink at all on October 6 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 14, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink at all on October 7 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 15, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 8 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 16, that you failed to blow into the Soberlink all day on October 9 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 17, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 10 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
18, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 11 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
19, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 12 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
20, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 13 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 21, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink at all on October 15 of 23. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 22, that you failed to blow into Soberlink on October 15 of 23 all day. How do you plead?
guilty,
Count 23, that you failed to blow into a Soberlink on October 16 of 23 all day. How do you plead?
guilty.
All right. First of all, did you fail to blow into the Soberlinks between September 25th? Well, first of all, let's say between October 6th and October 16 and 23 all day.
I kind of just dropped doing what I was supposed to do.
I didn't ask you that. Did you fail to blow into the Soberlink on those days?
Correct.
Did you fail to complete an intensive outpatient treatment program?
Correct.
Did you fail to attend the court work program on October 14 of 23?
Correct.
Did you fail to submit the chemical testing as ordered on September 28, October 2, and October 10 of 23?
Correct.
And did you fail to blow into the Soberlink at various times between September 25, on September 25, September 28, September 29, September 30, October 2, October 3, and October 5?
Correct.
Anybody force you to plead guilty? Please that are accepted. I got 21 counts or 23 counts here. All right, Ms. Wilds, your name?
Elizabeth Wise, probation, Your Honor.
All right, I can't wait to hear why she hasn't been here for 2 years. Why hasn't she been here?
So, Your Honor, she has been in and out of multiple hospitals. The two main hospitals that she had been in was U of M and ProMedica down in Monroe.
When was she there?
All in 2023. There is some documentation also in the file. She'd also been this year.
Can you, wait a minute, slow down. Can you summarize what dates in 23 that she was hospitalized?
Here's all the 2023 from. This is from the U of M. And then this one's all from
March 2023, November.
Hang on a second. March 2023 for how many days?
Doesn't say what, it just has.
Okay, what else?
It's 2023,
August, does it say what days?
August 18th, 2023,
Okay, what others?
September 30th, 2023, October 4th, 2023, October 2nd, 2023.
Did you just go to the hospital on those days? Wait a minute, let me finish my question.
I have.
Wait. Did you spend the night at the hospital on these?
Yeah, most
When?
of the times, yes.
Well, I don't know what you mean. She's telling me March of 23 that you were in there, then August 18 of 23. Did you spend the night on August
Yeah,
18th?
All of them are just.
How long?
mostly overnight. Some of them are,
Slow down,
um.
slow down. Do you have any records that tell me how long you were in on
yes,
those days?
They're all records here from the hospital. I printed them all off.
You enlighten me, Miss?
There's just a lot of that. She had something going on with her stomach and couldn't stop vomiting. So she was in and out.
When's the last time she was in?
2025?
Well, the last one you gave me was October 2 and October 4 of 23. And you also mentioned September 30 of 23.
Yeah.
September 18th, I was in.
September 18th of what year?
2025.
When were you in the hospital after October 4th of 23, but before September 18 of 25? Who's this with you back here?
That's my grandmother.
33. She went in, and then she's come out.
And that's probably just a 1-day stay. And then,
Ma'am, first of all, your lawyer mentioned March of 23. You weren't even on probation yet.
this is
Let
what,
me finish. Then your lawyer mentioned August 18 of 23. You weren't on probation yet. I got September 30, October 4, and October 2 of 23, and then September 18 of 25. Are there any other dates?
and
October 22nd, did I mention that?
What year?
2023. October 26th, 2023. October 29th, 2023. October 30th, 2023.
These were,
September 2020.
That's not.
these were dates that she went in. I mean, do we have overnight stays? Any proof of overnight stays?
It's all I could get in the time, because without, you have to pull medical records, it takes 30 days. And this is what I could get in time to come see you.
So it's just a list of days that she wants to.
The list of it. Doesn't really. And then this, I was in psych a few times too.
Bro. And Judge, if I may, the problem with the Soberlink, unfortunately, because of the vomiting, she really couldn't blow.
Not all the time. Yeah.
You just absconded for 2 years. Now you want me to,
Sir, that's not the only reason. I didn't do what I was supposed to be doing. I got so disheartened with it. I kind of
got so what?
like disheartened with it.
Disheartened? Is that what you're saying? I don't,
Stressed out, in a sense, I would believe, Your Honor. She just had a lot of medical, she has some substance abuse issues, heroin, she's off of that. She's doing Suboxone. She just had a lot, coupled with her mental health and physical health.
Ms. Wilds, what do you have to say? Anything?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know if you recall, obviously it's been some time. We actually dealt with all these issues, her medical, at her last violation hearing. You actually afforded her the opportunity to switch to a scram tether, to which she actually did not want to. So after court, she wanted to remain on her Soberlink issue. So the issue with her blowing into the device, she was given an opportunity to switch over to the scram tether. She actually chose not to do that. After choosing not to do that, we pretty much didn't hear from Miss Watts. I do have verification in my file that she went for a detox in October of 23, October 21, at Dawn Farm. After that, I've received nothing in regards to any type of update from that inpatient stay, if it was a 1 day, if there was any amount of time. But beyond that, there's no compliance on the file. She didn't do any of her court work program days. We rescheduled her after that last violation. No community service, no victims impact panel. Again, no indication of any further treatment. She stopped submitting to her chemical testing. She had provided proof of 12-step meetings up through August of, up through September 17 of 23. But again, nothing after that. She pretty much, after that violation, met with her briefly afterwards, and then she absconded.
So she has a letter, well, the reason that she didn't want to switch is because of the expense. So she kept the Soberlink, but she has a letter from Packard Health that she's been engaged in substance abuse, had a substance abuse disorder for more than a year, and she's consistently made her appointments.
What's the date on it?
This is November 25th, 2025.
I just don't know why you would have absconded, Ms. Watts. I have to be completely candid with you here. I don't understand why you would just stop showing up, not complying with the orders. Some of this is, I can rationalize in my brain.
I kind of just gave up because I was so having such a hard time, and I was just kind of scared to come back.
So what am I supposed to do? Say that's okay? I mean, I'm trying to be understanding here, but I just can't. How much is owed in fines, Lisa? Can you tell me, please?
Judge, there's also a tax intercept.
Judge, I can give you that amount. It's $1,752.
So we filed a tax garnishment,
I
but
don't want the job right now. I don't have a license. I live in the middle of nowhere.
She did bring some money with her today, Judge.
300 or something like that.
We did file a tax garn for 2025, Judge.
understand. But we won't find out on that till February, right?
Right. And if she does pay or
Yeah, I know,
you
but
waive any of that, I can stop it.
Judge, it may be unreasonable, but at this point, she is having, she also goes to a support group, all week long, almost every day. It's for
you can
all,
go talk to your grandmother, whoever else that is, see if you can come up with $1,000. Or if you know that you can't, you can just tell me now.
Oh, I can't, she's not employed.
You put yourself in a horrible position here, young lady. You really did. So as far as I can tell, Ms. Wiles, she doesn't have any credit other than the 1 day jail from the initial arrest. She didn't do court work or community service, right?
That's correct, Your Honor. I only see the 1 day credit.
My grandma can vouch that I did do some, community service at I redid a door in a playground. I did that with my grandfather at a community service center, yeah, in London Township, Michigan.
Probation's revoked. You are to pay costs in the amount of $1,000. So I'm going to take this off for you. We're going to reduce that, Lisa, if, well, we'll know how it plays out here. You pay costs of 1,000, serve 93 days jail for 90, credit 1 for 92. If you pay costs of 1,000, I will suspend 65 of the 93, requiring you to only serve 28. So if you pay 1,000, you're in for 28. Otherwise, ma'am,
Okay,
you're going to be in for 92. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer. I wish you would have just come and talked to me 2 years ago. We could have worked everything out. It was a bad decision. I feel badly I have to do this, but you made good luck. Thank you. Thanks,
you,
Ms.
Judge.
Wiles.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.